Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have an exciting video because we have an Amazon wig.
I need to lock off, I need to step back.
Today's hair sponsor is Isee Hair on Amazon. I know we're familiar with Isee Hair, the website like .com. Well, this is the same company, it's just their Amazon version. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 4x6 HD closure wig. This is in the reddish brown color. I know, lately I've been rocking this color a lot. I couldn't help myself. I'm looking at this lace and I'm like, you need to be tinted. So we're just gonna tint it. I'm gonna use this foundation powder. I like my band to be tight. Now let's go in with more of that powder and see if that does anything for us. Doing something. It might be too dark. I don't know. Does it look dark or does it look good? I can't tell. Sometimes like real life and camera be playing me a little. We're gonna use lace tint instead. The lace tint I'm gonna be using.
When you look at me that way, irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic.
This is a good wig to have when you want to be lazy. A straight wig is definitely easier to style compared to like a body wave wig. When I'm hot combing, I just like to take my time. I'm not necessarily in a rush to get this done, so if you take your time, it's just gonna look flatter and it's gonna look like it's your hair. If you don't want to pluck the hairline, just go in and push the hair up. It just instantly looks more realistic. I'm gonna use this Ebon spray.
Making you wait is so erotic.
And then I'm gonna take my comb and press it down because I noticed that the lace was flapping up a little bit too much for my liking. The lace is melting really nicely too. I'm just putting some product on the edge of my comb and pressing into it. If you wanna get your blow dryer, this will be a much faster process. If you're on a deserted island, would you want a wig? Would you just go natural?
Sex appeal, but we play it cool. Touch.
So I'm gonna make the part a little bit more visible and I'm gonna use some makeup to do that, some powder eyeshadow.
Push and pull, that free.
And you can see just by dabbing it in, it just creates the part that you want. Okay, and then lastly, what we like to do is seal it in. So we'll hit it with the hairspray. And then I'm gonna remount this section. This is beautiful. Okay, Isee Hair Amazon. Anything Isee Hair has their name attached to, you know it's gonna be fire. Look at that. Okay y'all, and that is it. Beginner friendly as they get. No baby hairs, no nothing. Just a classic middle part bust down. That's what I'm infamous for at this point. So 2024, call me middle part Kez. Period. Guys, I love it. 10 out of 10. It's beautiful. I'm a fan of it. As long as pretty. More of this in 2024. Wow. I feel like a baddie. Yeah. Okay, I better stop. I better stop.
So sensual. Touch. Draw me in when you handle me that way. Where you been?
I love a closure wig because it just gives beginner friendly. When I'm not doing wig reviews, I want to have something easy to put on that doesn't require me to like secure the sideburns. And maybe it's because I install wigs daily for my job that when it comes to like my downtime when I'm not reviewing a wig, I want the easiest thing possible. Is that just me? Let me know in the comment section below. But guys, it's beautiful nonetheless. It's really long, 26 inch. I'm saying it's even longer than that. It's giving me booty length and we're here for it. Really full, nice thick density. It has a really nice texture to it where it seems like it's not too silky, but it's still silky. Like you can see, it does bounce around, but it's still also giving like it could be your hair pressed out with a nice silk press. So I love that about it. I did tint the lace because it was looking a little light for me. It is classified as HD, but I'm gonna say this lace is more giving me HD transparent. There is no like international standards. Companies can create their own definition of HD lace. Now you can find out for yourself at home, but that's what it's giving me. I'm very satisfied with this wig. I'm gonna definitely have this unit for a long time. It meets the criteria for me. Glueless, comfortable, beautiful color, straight, long, full. It's just that, girls. I love it. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you want to purchase this wig, of course, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you guys. If there's a discount code, it's gonna be there as well. Catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.